All right, this is June 2014, question number 5. It says, triangle ABC has coordinates A, 1, 2, B, 4, 2, and C, 1, 0. On the answer sheet provided, draw triangle A prime, B prime, C prime, the image of triangle ABC under an enlargement, center O, the origin, and scale factor 2. Now, in an enlargement, the distance from the center to the image is equal to k times the distance from the center to the object. So here we have what? We have the points A, B, and C, and we want to obtain the points A prime, B prime, C prime. Here's how I'll go about it. From from the center of enlargement, O, the origin, the distance to C is 1 unit. Now, since K is equal to 2, the distance from the center to the image C prime is 2 times the distance from the center to O, from the center to C. So since the distance from the center to C is 1 unit right, the distance from the center to C prime is 2 units right. So this is, let's do that properly. So here is the new position of C. This is C prime. Now the distance from the center to A is 1 unit right, 2 units up. So if we double that distance, we're going to go 2 units right and 4 units up. So it's 2 units right, 4 units up. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the new position of A. This is A prime. And we're arriving at these points using this fact that the distance from the center to the image is equal to k times the distance from the center to the object. Now from the center of enlargement to B, it is 4 right, 2 up. If you double that distance, it becomes 8 right and 4 up. This is the new position of B. This is B prime. So now that I have all three vertices for the image, I just simply need to use my ruler to connect them. All right. All right. So ABC is the object, and A prime, B prime, C prime is the image of ABC under an enlargement, center to origin, and scale factor 2. So that is part I of the question. II says triangle A double prime, B double prime, C double prime. That is this triangle here, bottom right. That triangle A double prime, B double prime, C double prime, is the image of triangle ABC under a transformation M. Describe completely transformation M. All right, first we have to identify the transformation. And transformation M look as if it is a translation. Now a translation is moving in a straight line without turning. So let us describe this transformation fully. All right, we can use the matrix equation of transformation to determine, sorry, the matrix equation of translation to determine the translation vector. Using maybe let us say A plus T will give you A prime. Using that, we can say that T would therefore be equal to A prime minus A. All right, and in this case, it's A double prime. So a double prime, the coordinates of a double prime is 5 minus 3. So it's 5 minus 3. And the coordinates of a is 1, 2. 1, 2. So this is going to be 5 minus 1 and minus 3 minus 2. So the matrix T, sorry, the translation vector T is 4 minus 5. In other words, um, triangle. So in other words, um, let's write it down here. Bottom. II triangle A B C is mapped onto triangle A double prime B double prime C double prime by T, which is 4 minus 1. This is a translation of 4 units. Let's say right, parallel to the x axis and minus 5 units. So minus 5, it's vertically downwards, parallel to the y axis. All right. So, in other words, to get from A, B, C to A double prime, B double prime, C double prime, I had to move triangle ABC 1, 2, 3, 4 units to the right and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units down. To get from triangle ABC to the triangle A prime, B prime, C prime, I had to move the entire triangle 4 units to the right and 5 units down. In other words, triangle ABC is mapped onto triangle A double prime, B double prime, C double prime by T, which is 4 minus 5, a translation of 4 units right, parallel to the x-axis, 5 units minus 5 units, which is vertically downwards, parallel to the y-axis.